Today I'll be showing you guys how to connect two inputs using the same device. Okay, this is the solo, this is the output, this is the input section. Okay, I've already explained that before. If you don't understand it, just the description of this video, go to my playlist, you'll get access to that and watch it so that you understand better. Okay, so without wasting time, let's start. So this is the audio interface, which is GuitarLink. How can we get two inputs there at the same time? Okay, so this is the output side and this is the USB port. Plug it to your PC. So I'm plugging this directly to my PC right now. Okay, it's going there right now, so I can definitely come here and click on my recorder and choose the input, which is micro USB. Okay, let me just click it right now. I've chosen it there. It's there now. It will be serving as both my input and output, although there are some settings you have to do if you need their course. I'm giving it out for just a very little token. Just check the description of this video, you get access to that. It's around $1 or $2 you can get it. It's a very little fee. Okay, so this iRig is here right now. So this is the cord to my headset. Okay, I already showed you this particular headset in one of my video. Okay, you can see the headset. Okay, that is my Califone 2924. So I'll be plugging that here to this place where you see headset. You plug it there right now. So it's there. So we need something to serve as our input source. Okay, let's look at which cord to use. Let's not use this jack to jack. Okay, sorry about the noise. So I have my jack to jack here. So I'll go to the output section of my keyboard. Okay, every keyboard has output. Okay, so this is my output side. So I'll plug it to my output here. Plug it to my output, not sustain. This is sustain, this is output. Okay, so this is the side that is coming from that cord, although it's too multi like this. Okay, your own will not be like this, it will just be like this. Okay, so that means I'll plug it directly to this iRig. So that means whatever I'm playing here now, you'll not hear the sound of this keyboard again. You won't. The one you are hearing is through my headset. If I remove it, you won't hear it. You see that you're not hearing it again. If I plug it, the little volume you can hear is from my headset. It's from my headset right here. Okay, so that means it's going there right now. It's sending to our PC. Okay, let's now look at what to do. So since we have inputs from this keyboard going here, coming straight here, coming to our headset, then going to our PC. Okay, so we need something to send into our microphone. So if this is my microphone right here, there is an auxiliary input here. Okay, you can see it now. Plug it there. That is to my microphone. Okay, so that means my microphone. Sorry that everywhere is just rough. The way I'm doing the connection around for you guys to see. Okay, so remember this cord is coming from the output section right to the input of this. This is the output going to the headset, then going straight to the PC itself. Then this one, I want to use a microphone with it. So for example, let's say I'm singing and I want to play, I can do the two at the same time. So let me take my microphone right here. I have this condensed microphone here. So I'll plug this here now. Sorry, I'm using just one hand. Okay, so my microphone is connected now. Okay, you may not be able to hear that, but let me go inside my keyboard. Then you go to auxiliary in, then you can set the level of this. This is a special input on its own. I wish you can really hear through this headset. I can hear everything right now, but let me increase my volume. Can you hear that? Let me move this headset down so that you hear. You can hear the feeding input. Let me talk. Okay, good. Hello. Okay, 1, 2. So it's coming there right now. So what we want to now do is send it to. We'll be sending it straight to our PC. Okay. Let me just load that level a bit because it's too high. Now let's go for a fresh recording. Okay, so let me play a bit here. You hear it from the system right here. You can see. Let me on top.